Guys, today I'm going to be making my super easy vegan stuffing. Really simple ingredients, really tasty. I hope you're able to stick around and see exactly how it's done. For our easy vegan stuffing, we're just going to need a few ingredients, and those are around 1 French baguette that is oil-free and vegan that we have cut up into cubes, and that's around 8 cups if you were to measure it out. I've let that baguette sit on the countertop for a day or two, let it harden up a bit, and then we cut it up. If you don't do that, you can always get a fresh one and just toast it in the oven at about 250 degrees for 25 to 40 minutes till it gets nice and crisp. We also have 2 cups of vegetable broth, and then we have a dry spice mix of 1 teaspoon of rosemary, a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of sage, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and then 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now, I know some people have never had a stuffing where you don't have the onions and the saute and everything. This is an easy stuffing, last minute. If you don't have anything ready to go, or you just want something that's gonna be nice and simple with ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry, this is the stuffing for you. You can also do this in a baking dish. I'm gonna use my glass round pie dish. Any baking dish will work, a square one, a rectangle one. This is what I'll be using. I'm gonna bring you guys in here and we're gonna get started. To get started, we've got our bread crumbs, not our bread crumbs, but our bread cubes. They're about 1/4 of an inch when you cut them up. And we have our veggie broth and we have our spice mix. Now, really simple. I want this to be as easy as possible. We are going to pour in our broth and our spice mix. And now we're just gonna give it a good mix. Mix it for 20, 30 seconds until it's nice and evenly distributed. That looks really good. Now we've got our baking dish here. Grab that and in there, and we are going to pour it in. Now, I like to go in and flatten it out a bit, but this is going to bake for 25 to 35 minutes. Checking at about 25, and just you can see what the consistency that you personally enjoy. But at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 35 minutes, checking at 25. All right, we'll be back when this is done. Our timer just went off. Our stuffing is done. It looks perfect. Like I said, 25 to 35 minutes. This was about 30 minutes for me to get the consistency that I like. I'm gonna get a dish of this bowled up. I'm gonna get the kitchen cleaned up, and I will see you guys in just a second. All right, we got the stuffing made. It is out of the oven, and it smells and looks absolutely fantastic. I have got to say, it's really simple ingredients. You can always add more. You want to add some mushrooms. You want to add really whatever you like. Some peppers, some apples. It's a base, or it's the complete recipe, whatever you want, but it's very simple, it's easy to throw together, and hopefully with ingredients that you already have in your pantry, or you can get at the store really easily. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Absolutely fantastic. Just as delicious. Doesn't need the butter, doesn't need the eggs, doesn't need the milk. It is a simple ingredient, completely vegan, completely oil-free, whole food plant-based, and delicious. I really hope you guys like this recipe. If you go ahead and give it a try, please let me know how it goes in the comment section below. If you're on YouTube or Facebook, it really helps if you guys like and subscribe to the pages. And as always, this recipe, which is a part of my whole food plant-based holiday recipe that I've been putting out in anticipation to the holidays, but this one, past and future recipes can be found on my website, plantbasedgabriel.com. I am Plant-Based Gabriel, thanking you guys so very much for watching, and I will hopefully see you very, very soon.